How do you know if your shears need to be sharpened? That's a good question. Answering from a stylist perspective, if you're using more effort to cut the hair, if they're pushing or they're folding hair, you've dropped them and they're now not cutting right. You notice nicks are in them, you cut something you shouldn't have. And it's been 3 to 4 months since you've had them sharpened and you're testing them, then they might need sharpening. As a sharpener, these were given to me by a local stylist to sharpen. I didn't get to talk to her. And I tested them. Look. My normal test after I've sharpened shears is I'll cut some wet tissue. And this is already wet. And I want you to see this. It's cutting nice. I didn't even adjust the screw. They look like they've never been sharpened. I cut some hair with them. They cut crisp. These are, I looked them up on the internet. This is the low end of the Sharpen brand. And they were selling on the Pivot Point website for like a set for $74. So they're not expensive. So, I mean, I think they cut pretty good for the price of them. I'm feeling them with my thumb. They feel sharp. Maybe a teeny tiny nick here, but it doesn't affect the cut. Why'd she leave them with me? I don't know. Let's call her and find out, okay? I've got my phone here, and let's see what she says. Hello, is this Maddie? Hey, Maddie, this is Bonnie Megowan at Bonika Shears. Hey, you left your shears here for me to sharpen, these shark fin. And before I started sharpening them, I tested them. I cut some hair and looked at them. I didn't see any nicks. What are they doing that you feel like they need sharpening? Okay, so you're starting a new job and you just want to make sure they were good to go. Yes,
they were
Misty.
super duper tight when she brought them in.
Oh.
I forgot about that, and I had to use pliers to loosen them.
Okay, come in here, explain this, Misty.
No, I'm on the phone.
Okay, you're on the phone?
But I
Misty told me when you brought them in, you had the screw cranked down super, super tight. And, okay, so I have them adjusted right now. I'm just going to clean them, oil them, and put them back, and I'm not going to charge you for it because they really don't need sharpening. If I went ahead and sharpened it, all it's going to do is shorten the life of the shears. It's not going to improve the cut. But these are, I was going to say, these are low level. These are like entry level shears, so you may want to think about going up a step. Yeah, I thought they were school scissors. They look like school scissors, but it looks like you haven't been cutting a whole lot, and I think they're going to do you fine. It's no need to shorten their life. But as you get a new pair, these could be your really good backup pair or like for cutting children. Where are you going to work? What kind of place? Okay. This will work good for great clips. All right. Okay. Well, so there's no charge, and whenever you want to come pick them up, but I will go ahead and clean them and oil them, and I'll correctly adjust them, okay? Okay. All right. Bye. Mystery solved. Hello, Bonnie speaking. May I help you? Hey, Galen, I saw the message for us to call you back. I just hadn't had the time. I will. Okay, bye-bye. Sorry about that. So, check your shears. Don't get them sharpened unless they need it. Check your adjustment. They're still a little bit tight. If they were tighter than this, Misty said she had, I don't know if you heard her, she said she had to have like pliers to loosen them. I would have them, you see how they move a little bit? I would have it there. Wow. Hello, Bonnie speaking. May I help you? Hi, Al. I was just talking about you today because I put you on that Finest sharpener. Yeah, you have to check it out. You're in the Finest sharpener lookup. That's good to hear, Al. That's good to hear, Al. All right. Okay. Bye-bye. That's a typical call from a sharpener. And I trained him, what, about 3 years ago, maybe? So, back to these. Stylist. Before you get your shears sharpened, make sure they really need it. Test them. You saw I cut the wet tissue, cut some hair. If they're cutting okay, then go with it. One of the things you can do is don't take them apart to clean them. You can clean them off with some alcohol, wipe them off, but this is a nail buffer. And you see it says 3000 grit. That's the side I'm using. Gentle, following over the edge. The same pressure I use if I'm putting my makeup on, okay? I'm not rub it in, just gentle over here. There goes the phone again. And then flat on the inside. And the same thing here. And that'll kind of smooth out any tiny nicks that are in there. And then if you want to oil them, any oil is better than no oil at all. But we do sell a special oil that's made just for shears. And that's one of it that we sell to the sharpeners. We have the tube that most of the stylists use. And I'm going to work it back and forth a little bit, and then when I think I have it right, I'm wiggling it. Now you've got to wiggle it with it wide open and do a little wiggle and drop it. And those are good to go back to her. Hey, I'm Bonnie Megowan, and this is what I do. About every Monday, I'll be uploading a new video. So if you want to see them and catch them, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you have any comments or suggestions of some videos you'd like to see, make sure you let me know. I answer all the comments. Now, if you're looking for the tools that I used in this video and the different things that I used, those should be in links below or on the product page, or if not, you should find them on my website, bonika.com. There's all kinds of things in the description below on how you can connect and contact me. So stay sharp. I'll see you in the next video.